Brahim Chapa has been offered to Kaizer Chiefs, this is something I find disrespectful. As I wrote in my thumbnail, disrespect. I find it very disrespectful. Um, I don't think Chapa is a scrap. I don't think he's a terrible player. I think he's a good player. He's a decent player. 23 years of age, midfielder, Nigerian international. But how are we being offered a player whom Stellenbosch let his contract come to an end? A player which Stellenbosch didn't do enough to try keep him. I think if Stellenbosch rated him as a top player, they were never going to let his contract come to an end. They would have negotiated a renewal from last season. That's what teams do. When it comes to a player they rate, a player they believe will be, his value is going to be massive in the next 2 or something years, they renew his contract when he has 2 years remaining on his contract. That's what teams do. If a team lets your contract, run until the last 6 months, they are very skeptical of you. That's what happened with Ibrahim Chapa. And for him to be offered to Kaizer Chiefs, that's very ambitious from his agents. Chance taking. I see this as chance taking. And who do we have to blame for this? We have no one but ourselves to blame, because we've made a reputation out of signing free agents. Last season we got offered a finished Ethan Brooks. Now we are being offered Chapa, whom Stellenbosch clearly didn't rate as a top player. So we are being disrespected here, and we have no one else to blame but ourselves. No one else to blame but ourselves. This is what we are now. This is our model. Go for free agents, go for finished players, and pray for the best. And I'm seeing some of your comments. Oh, I'd take him. Oh, he's a good player. Yeah, let's go for it. I'm like, what? You absolute mate. None of you was talking about signing Ibrahim Chapa in last week. No one was even fantasizing about Chapa. No one was talking anything about liking Chapa. No one was saying anything about Chapa being a good player. But now, because it's being offered to Kaizer Chiefs, oh, I take him. Oh, this and this. That's how low our standards are. And if we as fans also drop our standards, then this team is finished. This team is finished. We are always going to have a shit transfer window. I'm not having this, oh, he's a good player, oh, let's go for it. Nah, I am not. Where was this energy 2 weeks ago? Where was this energy before he got offered to Kaizer Chiefs, before he became a free agent? So I'm not buying into that. I'm not getting involved. I believe he's a decent player. I don't think he's good enough for us. And this, mate, this is a signing we shouldn't make. I look at our midfield, the midfield options we currently have there, especially Chabocele, Lewang Mabue. Those players playing in his position, 8. He's better than no one there. He's better than no one. So it's not a signing that's going to, it's not an upgrade from what we have. And I don't think what we have, okay, Lewang Mabue, chop, specifically Ndlovu, good player, but inconsistent, same as Chabocele. So I need someone who's going to be someone who's better than these two. And I don't think Ibrahim Chapa is that player. So don't piss me off about that one. And Kaizer Chunam Taung, you better hang up the phone, mate. Yeah, you better hang up the phone. You better, tell them to fuck off. Make a statement to say, yo, don't be going around offering us scrubs. If we are interested in your player, we'll come to you. So yeah, that's all for Ibrahim Chapa. That's all I have to say.